Welcome back to our WordPress tutorial series. In this video, we'll guide you through configuring WordPress in a local environment. After setting up WordPress locally, it's essential to optimize the environment for development and testing. Let's get started. First, log into your local WordPress site by navigating to localhost, your folder-names, wp-admin. Use the admin username and password you set during installation. Once logged in, you'll land on the WordPress dashboard. Next, configure the general settings by going to Settings, General. Update your site title, tagline, and ensure your local site URL matches the folder where WordPress is installed. This step helps keep your setup organized and reflects your project details accurately. Then, head to Settings, Permalinks to configure your URL structure. For most websites, the post name option is ideal, as it's clean and SEO friendly. Save the changes to ensure the URLs work correctly on your local server. After that, install essential plugins for local development. For example, Duplicator or all-in-one WP migration, to move your site to a live server later. Query Monitor, to debug and analyze database queries and performance issues. A maintenance mode plugin, to simulate updates or under construction scenarios. Finally, check your local environment's PHP settings to ensure compatibility. Most local server tools like XAMPP or Local by Flywheel have configuration options where you can adjust PHP versions, memory limits, and upload sizes. This step is particularly helpful when testing plugins or themes that require specific settings. And that's how you configure WordPress in a local environment. These adjustments prepare your local site for seamless development and testing. In the next video, we'll show you how to move from localhost to a live server to make your website accessible to the world. Stay tuned.